YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the practice of using various tools, software, or services to streamline and optimize certain aspects of managing a YouTube channel. While automation can be helpful for simplifying routine tasks and increasing efficiency, it's important to use it responsibly and within the guidelines set by YouTube to avoid violations and potential negative consequences. Here are some common ways people use automation on YouTube. Video upload scheduling. You can schedule when your videos are published on your channel. This allows you to create content in advance and have it automatically go live at specified times. Social media sharing. Some creators use automation to automatically share their video links on various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram when a new video is published. 3. Video optimization. Tools can help optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search engine optimization, to improve discoverability. 4. Comment moderation. Automation tools can help filter and manage comments on your videos, removing spam or offensive content. 5. Analytics. You can use tools to analyze your channel's performance, track trends, and gather insights about your audience. 6. Email notifications. Some creators use email automation to notify their subscribers when they upload new content. 7. Thumbnails. Automation can help you generate custom video thumbnails based on templates, ensuring a consistent look for your channel. 8. Transcription and subtitles. Automated services can transcribe spoken words in videos and generate subtitles or closed captions. It's essential to be cautious when using automation on YouTube, as excessive or unauthorized automation can violate YouTube's terms of service and lead to channel termination or other penalties. For example, using bots to artificially inflate video views or likes is against YouTube's policies. Always read and adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and policies, as they can change over time. In summary, YouTube automation can be a useful tool to help manage and grow your channel more efficiently. However, it should be used responsibly and in accordance with YouTube's rules and regulations to maintain a healthy and successful YouTube presence. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Till our next video.